Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. I've got for you Honda CB1000R Extreme. We've sold this before and we're happy to sell it again. It's a beautiful bike in this colour scheme. You can see it's got the Akrapovic pipe and the decat on there. Really is a funky colour scheme. This is nice. It is a 2015 on a 15 plate, and I will just get you the mileage. 4,357. It is the ABS model as well. It's really, really nice. Is that lovely, clean, tidy bike, and a really popular colour scheme. These a really good value bike. Single-sided swing arm, looks mint. Akrapovic. Tail tidy on there. Is it a tail tidy? Yeah, it is tail tidy on there. Really is nice. Digital display. I'll show you that in a second when it comes round. So if you come up onto the dashboard, big digital displays, digital speedo down the bottom left-hand corner, massive big rev counter. And you can see over there, 4,357 miles. That's all it's done. And it's lovely. We'll give it a start for you. What a belter. This will not last long. They never do. It's a really popular colour scheme, is this. So be quick. Coming down to Jordan Bikes, take a look for yourself or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.